Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you updated numbers on my Mudrex Ichimoku Cloud crypto trading bot that I deployed on December 1st, 2020. And today is December 28th, 2020. So this bot has been running for almost 1 month. And so far, it's up a total of 21%, almost 22%. And the initial amount I let the bot trade with was $500, and you can see my current balance is $609. So not too bad on a small investment, pretty good return. I'm happy with it so far. Now, before we get in the weeds on the numbers, if you're not familiar with who Mudrex is, it is a crypto bot trading platform that allows you to configure and create and then deploy your own trading bots based on your own strategy. And they have a couple different memberships you can either join for free, and that'll get you basically unlimited bots. The only thing you won't get is unlimited backtesting, and your minimum tick resolution will be 15 versus 1 minute. Now, if you choose to upgrade to the premium account, it's a small investment of $16, considering the features that are packed into this platform. And again, you'll get that unlimited backtesting. That alone is probably worth the $16 a month. And you'll get 24/7 live tech support. And I will say, once again, Mudrex is probably the best when it comes to customer service. You can see you can get one-on-one demo on how to build your strategy. They'll actually walk you through how to build a strategy. So with that all being said, let's take a look at what my strategy was for this particular. I went with the Ichimoku Cloud indicator, and what those settings were is I was basically comparing the conversion line crossing up over the baseline. So I was comparing the Ichimoku Cloud against itself based on the conversion line crossing up through the baseline. And what that would look like on a chart, if we take a look back at the Ethereum chart, you can see back here where the price had sold off, the blue line represents the conversion line, the yellow line is the baseline. And what I was looking for would be this blue line, the conversion line, to cross back above the baseline, indicating that the momentum was now moving back up. And so we get the cross right down here in this region, and so my entry on this particular trade would be right down here. My sell strategy would be for this blue line to cross back through, meaning the price is turning over and heading down. So the conversion line would cross down through the baseline. And we get close, but it does a real good job of not stopping me out too early, and it holds on, and we are now seeing this big move up, and the lines are starting to get separation as this price continues up. And what that results in is my current position that I hold, if I scroll down, is this open position right here, and a 22.5% profit right now on that move. Now you can see some of my other trades, my losses are smaller losses compared to bigger wins. And that's the idea behind this, is you want your risk versus reward ratio to be in your favor. And that's exactly what I'm getting. If you look at some of the numbers, the average profit on win is almost 13%. My average loss is only 3%. I'm at just over a 1-to-4 risk versus reward. And if you can continue to do that, as you can see, I don't have to win all my trades. I've only won 37% of them to be profitable. And so jumping back real quick to the actual settings, you can see conversion line crossing up. That's this blue line crossing up through the yellow line. And then I do actually change the default settings, and they're going to be 18, 52, 52, 104, and 30. The defaults are like 9, 26, 26, 52. And in this case, I believe the lagging is normally 27 or 26, and we just bumped it up to 30. That was a recommendation by one of my viewers, John, and we've been running with these settings with great success ever since he recommended them. And then on the sell side, very similar. Just the only thing that really changes on the sell side is we're looking for the conversion line to cross down through the baseline. And so that would mean this blue line crossing down through the yellow line, which would indicate the probability this is going to sell off, which we get kind of close as we move sideways and we get a bit of a dip, but we hold on to continue to ride this up. And those are basically the settings. I have no stop loss and no take profit, as everything is controlled through the buy side and the sell side, all based on the Ichimoku cloud indicator. And so if we take a look a little more into the numbers, something to be aware of is a Sharpe ratio. Again, that kind of measures your risk. You want it to be above 2. I prefer it to be above 3. And in this case, I'm pushing almost 5. Profit factor, again, you want to be above 2. Acceptable is 1, but I want to always be above 2. I'd much rather this be above 3, but it is acceptable at this level. Now, the next factor that's important is market returns. You can see if I just bought and held ETH on December 1st when I deployed this bot, I'd be up 25%, where right now I'm only up 22%. However, the reason we fight these battles is because I don't have a crystal ball, and I don't know that ETH is going to outperform my strategy. So the reality that I'm only off by just over 3%, that's actually acceptable to me. Now, if the market returns were 25 and my overall returns were only 5 or 10%, then that would be a cause for concern for me. But because I'm right there, I'm pretty comfortable with that. And let me show you on the actual chart what that kind of looks like and why I am comfortable with it. Now, the solid line is my strategy. The dotted line is the market returns. And if we look at the chart, what I'm looking at is where I see these sell-offs, I'm outperforming the market. I'm not experiencing the big dips that they are. I might experience a dip, but you can see the market goes down below where I'm at. But it's just outperforming my strategy slightly. At some point, the bulls are going to have to rest, and this is going to have to pull back. And the idea is I won't experience a bigger pullback as the market. And again, as we look at my actual trades, the idea is small losses. I would like to actually work a little bit on these bigger losses. As long as my profits are much larger than these losses, I'm okay with that. And I will note, for those of you who are looking for a bunch of action out of your bots, this isn't it. You can see over a 1-month period, I've only had 8 trades. So if you're looking for this to trade every single day, this is not the bot for you. As you can see, the average exposure time is about almost 2 days. So I'm not going to be in and out 3 or 4 times a day, but rather you're going to need a little bit of patience and let your strategy do the work for you. And again, my bots are designed around my strategy and my trading style. And the reality is I have about 25 years of experience in trading and watching the markets and how they perform, whether it's stocks, Forex, or crypto. And I've got a really good feel for what my style, my discipline, what I can tolerate. And so these bots that I configure are based on my trading style. And so with that all being said, I just wanted to jump on here, do a real quick update video on how this Mudrex crypto trading bot is performing. Again, based on the Ichimoku cloud indicator, and I'm trading ETH USDT on Binance. And it's important to note that's the 1-hour candles that this strategy is deployed on. And so far, it's been just about 1 month, and I'm up almost 22%. And so if you like these type of update videos, do me a favor, spike a like. It's also a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss future update videos I'll be doing on this particular bot and any changes I might be making to this bot. You want to be sure to subscribe so you can see those as well. And as always, if you have any questions, be sure to leave your questions or comments in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to Mudrex in the description. If you use my link to sign up with the Mudrex platform, you'll get $25 free that you can actually apply to that $16 a month membership. That'll get you like a month and a half free of the premium membership. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. I'll see you in the next video.